Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to another day in the life of, of remodeling houses, fixing houses. Today we're going to go clean up some trash at one of the rental properties and maybe do a little bit of yard maintenance. Well, just do some things. It's kind of overcast. I'm kind of hoping that the weather will cooperate with us today. If it does, great. If it doesn't, well, we're going to be getting wet or not, who knows. Stay tuned. And oh, I forgot, let me introduce you to someone. Say hi, Nick.
Hi, Nick. Wait, no. Hi, just hi.
Everyone, this is Nick. This is my baby. It's my son, and he's going to be helping me today. So everybody give Nick a warm welcome to my channel, and you might be seeing him in a few upcoming videos. So anyway, that's Nick. All right, we're going to be using gloves today, and I don't know, because we're going to be doing briars and stuff, and I don't know which one of these are going to be the best ones to get. There are so many options, and oh wait, there's gloves. So many options, I don't even know which way to go. I just am going to pick something. Those work.
I'll say these look like they'll work.
Those look like they work.
Yep.
You only got one pair. What am I supposed to do?
I don't know.
Okay. All right. Now we're off. All right, so here is the stack of debris that we're going to be starting with this morning. We've got to get all this stuff picked up and hauled off. So we're going to get started here. So there's some big stuff in there. I don't know how much we'll get in one load, because I've got to put it in the back of my truck here and strap it down, so we'll see where we can get with it.
Are we just throwing it in the back of the truck?
Yeah, we're going to pack it in. Well, I was going to try and burn this stuff, but it was so wet, I'm just going to throw it right here in the dumpster. And I've got to get this thing emptied anyway, because we're getting ready to start some more construction, and it's about half full. I'll go ahead and get it finished filling up and get them to empty it. It's only money, right? What message are you sending?
What?
You said it's about sending a message. What message would that be?
I don't know. Maybe. I don't know, man. I already told you I didn't know what I was talking about.
Hey.
Hi, how are you?
pull back up. When y'all here, tell her brother came by.
Okay.
I'm coming back. I'm down to meet him first.
All right. If I see her, I know she works at night, so.
I know she went to work this morning. She said she want to punch you.
Okay. Yeah, she wasn't here. We was here at 8 o'clock this morning cleaning up the mess, and she wasn't here. She was gone when we got here.
She probably coming on lunch. Tell her brother came by. I'm coming back.
All right. Flailing around. Little guilty, just like squirming around. Bug. Ow. Oh, do you want to grab my one? Oh, once you drive off. Well, we got everything picked up, and it's only 10:30. Gonna go dump off this last load, and time we get done, probably get ready to have some lunch, and we'll figure out what we're gonna do for the rest of the day.
He keeps pointing the camera at me like he expects something out of me, and he's known me for 29 years. I think he'd know better by now.
That was good. Don't know yet. It'll be something that's going to be interesting or not. Maybe it'll be boring to tears, like me right now. Boring you to tears. Shut up, Nick.